Another part of the wall, and there's actually a spring here or something they dug, stacked up. It's pretty muddy here, so I don't want to step out in it. So that's all stacked, so there's been a lot going on here. Not sure what it is actually. So the whole area looks worked. So I gotta find out what all this is. But I'll get back to you. So we're back near the cellar hole I found last week when it was snowing. It's the first relic, an old shovel. My daughter forgot how to walk in the woods, I guess. You don't want to cross the two small rocks. Some say it's a carriage house. Some say it's something else. I'm not sure. I'm on the back side of it. As you can see, there's a wall over there. And there's the other. See if I can zoom in. That's the back side of it. There's all kind of roof material. There's the other wall behind it. So I don't know if there was a house site up there or it's a whole complex, because you got a wall here too. So I'm not sure what it is actually. But like I said, I haven't brought my metal detector because I don't want to bring it. I don't know who owns this. This looks dug out, all of it. A lot of roof material. I found some old buckets and stuff, so I'll get back to you guys if I find some more. It was definitely man-made, so they were funneling the water down here to somewhere. You can see all the way. That's stacked too. Getting pretty deep too. I don't know what they were using that for. So I'll go walk over the other side. Probably get eaten alive by mosquitoes. So now I'm coming in from the other side of the whole thing that you guys remember last week. There's a few old relics here. Old metal bucket. Something else here. Oh. I don't think that's that old. Maybe it's a dump too. But that's how it looks from this side. Excuse my camera operation. I'm probably not the best for this. So whatever they were doing, they were funneling water by it. So I'm not sure what they were doing here. But they stacked it pretty good. Should probably watch for copperheads. It's about the time where they come out. About 72 today. So this is how it looks from the back side. It's all going out to about there. And you got the other foundation over there. Nothing that tells me how old it is except for some old scrap. So guess we get out of here. Daughter says it's pizza time. So, but again, I didn't see this last time. I don't see any old bottles or anything. And it goes all the way down. Pretty cool. I'll see you all later.